Hey guys, Rook Knight here. Thanks for joining me. I thought I would take a crack at this Albert Lebel lock. I've had this Padlock for a very long time, and I was looking through my videos and I forgot all about making a video about it, and I kind of feel silly, but this lock has a lot of memories for me. One of it which is being one of the very few locks I had first started with. Listen to that. Oh, I love the shackle. That pop sounds amazing. Reminds me of almost like when you cock a pistol, you know what I mean? Like that sound, you know, or a shotgun, you know, the pump. I just love it. Anyway, had this lock for a very long time. Mr. Albert Lebel was kind enough to send it my way. And I remember it like it was yesterday, but it probably was going on maybe 2 or 3 years now. I remember the first weekend I got it, I was very green. And I spent a whole weekend, probably hours upon hours upon hours trying to pick it, and just couldn't do it. A couple months later, I had more experience and I was able to get through it, and I never made a video about it. So I thought maybe let's try today and get into it, open it up even, prove that there's pins in there, and we'll go from there. But couldn't tell you how much I appreciated getting this lock from Albert Lebel. It definitely really did make my day and changed my whole outlook on Locksport, knowing that there's people out there that are really amazing. I haven't actually picked this in quite some time, so might be interesting. See if I still got it. Actually, looking at my table here, there's quite a few locks I never actually made a video about. Sadly, I get distracted a lot, and I have good intentions, and unfortunately my mind wanders. I'm usually doing one weird project to the next. As of late, I've been obsessed with flint and steel, making fires, the old-fashioned way, basically, is making char cloth and all different things, punk wood and stuff, and looking into trying to find what is it, horse hooves fungus growing on a tree. I'd like to try to make some amaryllis or something like that it's called. But I also have some picks I'd like to make. Speaking of, I don't think I even ever showed the pick I'm working on right now. I made this one a couple weeks ago, and I showed it on a few social media sites, but I don't think I ever showed it on YouTube. It's already scratched up in that. I've been using it heavily, but a little bit of diamond polish will make that thing shine all over again. I'm not too worried. But yeah, I've noticed with these you got to put a fair bit of pressure on the tension wrench compared to what I would normally apply. I think we're getting down to the last one here, possibly. Had a nice vacation with my son. Went to a little condo on a giant lake and went fishing and swimming and had a good time with them. Got back not too long ago. Didn't do much for the 4th of July. Only because we were all just kind of tired from the whole vacation, so. I'm missing something. Definitely need to get more practice. I can already feel my hands cramping up. Oh, starting to turn anyway. Felt a little bit of rotation there. 6 minutes in. Not too bad. It's probably like one pin hanging me up. Where are you? One of these pins are not like the other. Gotcha. Alright, a little around 6 minutes, maybe a little less. But yeah, that was the pick anyway that I finished not too long ago. Just two different styles of G10. It's very heavyweight, but I really like the weight. I'm really crazy about G10 lately, full tang. So, let's put this stuff away here. And we'll do a quick gut. Probably fast forward through this. I'm sure you guys are probably going to sign off now, but for anybody doubting me, stick around. And I'll prove that there's pins in this baby. But in any case, I'm going to Alright guys, and there we go. We got ourselves a Albert Lebel Padlock. Is this a 200A? I'm not sure. I think it's a 200A, but don't quote me. I could be wrong. I'm not seeing on there what it is, but alright guys, that's all I got for today. Look at that, they even have some Loctite on there inside of their for their screw. That's a nice touch. Alright guys, that's all I got for today. Hope everybody's doing well. Catch you on the flip side. I'll do some pictures and be able to show these up close if anybody's interested. Alright guys, take care. Thanks again.